This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Hashtag Go.
This is your favorite radio station, Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie. आज का दिन जो है, जैसे हर हफ्ते हम करते हैं, ये जो नया महीना है इसकी शुरुआत भी हम बधाई के साथ कर रहे हैं. बधाई हो है शो का नाम. एंड joining me today, who is just 2 months in the organization, is Sakshi Srivastava based out of Bangalore. Sakshi, a warm welcome and बधाई हो.
Hi Annie, thank you.
Well, 2 months in the system is rather new, but I guess in the industry, so to speak, or in the corporate scenario, you've been working for a few years now.
Yeah, that's true. Actually 6 years before Make My Trip.
And you're in the technology development department. इस department में बहुत कम usually लड़कियां मिलती हैं, तो आपको थोड़ा special privileges मिलते हैं कि नहीं?
Can't say कि मिलते हैं, but it's good to see at least here in the company I see a lot of women on the floor in my team, जो कि अभी भी कम है थोड़ा. Like in other organizations, I do see that 1-2 लड़कियां ही होती हैं in a team of 10 or 12. But I think that's increasing with the coming years. So it's good to see more girls.
That's nice. Attention तो मिलता ही होगा, या competitive spirit ज़्यादा मिलता है? क्या होता है? मतलब आजकल लड़के भी थोड़ा competitive हो जाते हैं, whether it's boys or girls.
Yeah, I think, frankly speaking, I have never found it to be कि मतलब competitive हूँ because I'm the only girl in the team. But yeah, I think it's pretty healthy. It's a good culture. It's a good sort of place to be in for girls.
Nice.
If you need support, just tap away. One-to-one help is here to save the day. Swipe to call our counselor, will help you feel joyfuler. Download, log in, you're good to go. Mental health support in one place, you know. 1,000 resources, daily tips too. Activities and care picked just for you. Need help fast? No number to recall. The toll-free helpline's built in. Just swipe to call. If you need support, just tap away. One-to-one help is here to save the day. Swipe to call our counselor, will help you feel joyfuler.
भाई, लॉन्ग वीकेंड पे कहाँ जा रहा है?
कहीं नहीं भाई, बहुत काम है.
एक दिन सब चले जाएंगे, बस तुम्हारी एक्सेल में वी लुकअप ही रह जाएगा.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Hashtag Go.
This is Go MMT Radio and the show is called Badhai Ho with me, Sakshi Srivastava from the Technology Development Department based out of Bangalore. We are getting into the Bollywood quiz because that's what you've picked. But before that, tell me personally, travel आपके लिए कैसा है?
Travel is fun. Travel is relaxation. I was actually traveling a lot last year and I explored quite a few new places, national parks, etc. And I found them to be extremely relaxing. Something to look forward to also. Like when you're working and you've planned a vacation, let's say a month or 2 down the line, then it's something that you're really excited for. So I think travel is anything that is positive, where you're stepping out.
I like it that you mentioned national parks. आजकल ज़्यादातर लोग मतलब धीरे धीरे करके national parks के ओर जा रहे हैं. They realize, I think, the value of what nature has been giving us and what it can be in our lives, really. I'm sure, which is why you're saying that it's relaxing.
Totally. I mean, being close to the nature is not that easy these days because of construction, urbanization and other things.
Yeah.
A lot of commute which is within the city.
Correct.
So I think feeling close to the nature kind of calms your nerves and makes you feel fresher air.
Yeah, why not? Okay. Are you ready for the first game, which is the Bollywood quiz? I'm going to start with the dialogue of a movie, okay? Let's see if you know dialogues. Ja Simran ja, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. Which movie?
This is DDLJ. Dil Wale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Absolutely. Which Bollywood actress is famous for that item song Munni Badnaam Hui?
It's Malaika Arora.
That is correct. Oh my God. Okay. Which movie soundtrack was composed by A.R. Rahman and went on to win an Oscar? And it was a big deal for us because we went global with our music and with our films.
Is it Jai Ho from Slumdog Millionaire?
That is correct. Absolutely correct. Which movie, if you remember, has the famous song Sheila Ki Jawani?
Okay, so it was Farah Khan's movie. Tismar Khan, is it?
Yes. Boy, oh boy. Aap kya live, breathe and eat and drink only Bollywood looks like.
Yeah, I mean, I'm crazy about movies.
Good. Which Bollywood movie is based on the life of wrestler Mahavir Singh Fogat?
Dangal is...
Yes, it is correct.
Yeah.
Yes, it is correct. Which Bollywood film was the first Indian movie ever to be nominated for the Oscars? This is काफी पुरानी film है, but that is way back when things changed for us.
I can't say I know this.
Yeah, this is I think beyond all of our era कह सकते हैं. But this is Mother India I'm talking about. Sunil
Right,
Dutt,
yes.
Nargis who played his mother in the movie, and that was an explosive duo. Those guys did an amazing job in the movie. All right, one last question that I have. Which Bollywood actor is also known as Mr. Perfectionist?
Amir Khan.
Yeah, that is correct. Well done, you, Sakshi.
Hi everyone, this is Ankit Khanna and you are listening to Go MT Radio.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
बधाई हो है शो का नाम एंड दिस इज गो एमएमटी रेडियो. ट्रिपर फैमिली में वेलकम कर रहे हैं साक्षी श्रीवास्तवा को, जो कि टेक डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट से हैं, बेस्ड आउट ऑफ बैंगलोर. आई लव टू नो मोर अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ रोल दैट यू डू. व्हाट इज योर रोल एट एमएमटी?
So I am the lead software engineer for the Rails team, which comes under the ground transport umbrella. I'm basically responsible for solving problems, anything related to trains as of now.
Okay.
And I aspire to move on to other sections of ground transport, which is cabs and buses. Yeah, it's mainly to make the experience of the customers very seamless, very smooth for the customer.
Right,
from booking.
right. So when customers do come up with the issues, I know you don't directly deal with them, but कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि बहुत मुश्किलें आती हैं and you find time to look for a solution. Has that happened with you? I mean, you're just 2 months in the system, but have you come across anything like that?
Yeah. I mean, it's part of our job that we actually look into customer issues, why they are facing it, how we can improve it. So we do have like brainstorming sessions where we kind of list down all the issues that the customer faced, let's say in the past month or two, and then see how we can improve the experience for them. So yeah, that happens.
Oh, that's lovely. So seems like you are enjoying your job, even if this is very different from what you were doing earlier. Mostly you said you were in the fintech arena and this is travel. So quite interesting to kind of learn new things and how you are so close to the customer in this one.
Yes. Building something for the customer that they're going to use like maybe the very next day is very exciting.
Do you think travel has come a long way, Sakshi, in the past decade or two?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we've opened up a lot of new places to go to in India, especially where we've made a lot of sort of spots reachable for the users, and we've had a very huge infrastructure development as well.
If you need support, just tap away. One-to-one help is here to save the day. Swipe to call our counselor, will help you feel joyfuler. Download, log in, you're good to go. Mental health support in one place, you know. 1,000 resources, daily tips too. Activities and care pick just for you. Need help fast? No number to recall. The toll-free helpline's built in. Just swipe to call. If you need support, just tap away. One-to-one help is here to save the day. Swipe to call our counselor, will help you feel joyfuler.
Hello everyone, this is Leander Pace and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
on the show Badhai Ho with Sakshi Srivastava, Tech Development Department. So Sakshi, I'd like to now know more about your personal experience of the immersion induction programs.
Yeah, immersion was an amazing experience. I would highly recommend everybody to attend it, whoever joins MMT. It's very different from any other onboarding or induction program anyone may have attended in any other organization. There's so many things to know about MMT's business, about business in general. I mean, for me personally, I got to know so many new things that I, usually don't come across or even think of in terms of business. So we got to meet the leaders and they beautifully explained how it all started, what were the challenges and how, the company grew from scratch. So it was an amazing experience. We got to meet a lot of people from different lines of businesses as well. From supply, from other people from technology as well, from product, and from all the sectors that a business may have. So it was a great experience.
Looks like there's a lot of things that you have picked up and enough motivation to kind of do well at your job as well, right?
Yeah, definitely.
The rapid fire round.
What's the real reason we've ever had homework back in school?
Because eating takes too much time.
I like it. What happens if you never go to bed?
Oh, I can be a vampire.
Why do we wear shoes?
Because it's difficult to run in slippers.
Well, that's very close to the right answer, but I'll still give it to you. What is ketchup really?
It's a gravy that you put with paneer butter masala.
Yeah. What is the secret ingredient in mac and cheese?
Sugar.
What is the principal's real job, like whether it is school or college?
It's to make sure that all kids are having fun and they're breaking all the rules all the time.
Ah, nice one. Why do fish live in water?
Because tea is too cold for them.
Nice. Why are giraffes so tall?
Because they have to give competition to the elephants in some manner.
Well done. Oh my God. The last question. What is the internet really?
It is a place where we can be free of technology and just talk to each other.
Oh, well done. I mean, who could have given a better answer than this than a person in the tech development department? Sakshi, very well done. This is really creative and I enjoyed myself too. I mean, with you. I hope you liked it too.
Yeah, it was really fun talking to you.
Thank you, Sakshi. It was so nice to have you on the show and Badhai Ho once again. And all the very best for the future here at MMT. All the dreams, all the goals that you have attached to this job, to, the growth that you're looking at. Hope you grow leaps and bounds.
Thank you so much.
Sakshi Srivastava from the Tech Development Department based out of Bangalore on Badhai Ho today. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie. Time to wrap up and I will see you again a few days later right here on your favorite radio station. Till then, all you've got to do is keep smiling and don't ever forget to, stop traveling and keep those travel plans going.
If you need support, just tap away. One-to-one help is here to save the day. Swipe to call our counselor, will help you feel joyfuler. Download, log in, you're good to go. Mental health support in one place, 1,000 resources, daily tips too. Activities and care picked just for you. Need help fast? No number to recall. The toll-free helpline's built in. Just swipe to call. If you need support, just tap away. One-to-one help is here to save the day. Swipe to call our counselor, will help you feel joyfuler.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.